Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to make your account private on X. So let's open X application on your device, and first of all tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you want to scroll down to settings and privacy. Now find section privacy and safety, then go to audience and tagging section. And at the very top of your page you should see this feature that says protect your posts. So this basically means to make your account private. So enable it, and after this your account will be private. When your profile is private on X, only your current followers will be able to see your posts and basically everything that you post on X. And for example, if there is someone new who wants to follow you on X, they must send you a follow request that you must manually approve or decline. So you can find them if you go, let's go back. You have to tap your profile picture again in the top left corner of your screen, and as you can see in this menu you have a dedicated section that's called follower request. So let's open it, and basically from here you will see people that want to follow you on X, and you can decline them or accept them. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.